Number 3, lot S169, is a 1972 Chevrolet K20 Cheyenne pickup with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. And it sold for $66,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 45,080 miles. Specifications: exterior color ochre and white, interior color brown, model K20, trim Cheyenne. And the highlights: purchased new by the original owner on February 29th, 1972 from Dinger Chevrolet in Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. In the original owner's care until 2000, nut and bolt frame-off restoration completed by the second owner, Cheyenne equipment package, original 350 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, four-wheel drive, power steering, power disc brakes, wood bed planking with polished hardware, sliding rear glass window, glove box options list intact, push-button AM/FM radio, protecto plate, and owner's manual. And he also had the poster board there, which showed some of the numbers on the truck and the protecto plate and the option list on the glove box door. And it was a nice two-owner truck that was restored. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.